Welcome to a new topic. In this video, we are learning silent letter words. Many words are having silent letters. For example, A, B, C, F, K, L, N, U, and many. So, in this video, I'll tell you the words with silent letters separately. First, we are going to read the words in which letter B is silent. First word is comb. Here B is silent. We will not say comb. We will say comb. Kanga. Next is climb. Not climb. We will say climb. Charna. And then next word is thumb. Thumb. M stopping point. Now see, H is silent in these words. Honest, not honest. We will say honest. Imandar. Next, hour. Hour. Ghanta. Third is honor. Honor. Izzat. So these are the silent words which with H. Now silent words with letter D. Here word is bridge. Bridge. D is silent. Mean is pull. Then edge. Edge. Kinara. Third is gadget. D is silent here. Gadget. Chota. Ala. Now see the words. N is silent here. Autumn. What is autumn? Khizan. Not ottoman. Autumn. Next is condemn. M. M. M is the stopping point. Condemn. Muzammat. Next is column. Column. Now have a look on the words with words. Here K is silent. The first is knock. It is starting with K but K is silent. So we say knock. Dastak. Next is knit. Knit. Bunna. Third is knee. Not knee. This is knee. Knee. Gutna. Now next is L. In these words L is silent. Calm. Not calm. 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 Sukoon. Half. Half. Adha. Almond. Many people say almond. That is the wrong word. The right word is almond. Almond. Badam. Now starting with silent words. T. T is silent in these words. First is listen, not listen. The correct word is listen. Sunna. Often. Often. Aksar. Whistle. Whistle. City. Now we are having the words. Here U is silent. Guess. Guess. Andaza. But U is here. Next is guitar. Guitar. Sound shows there is no U, but there is a U. Guitar. Guilty. Guilty. Sharminda. Next is words having silent sound of W. Now W is silent in these words. First word is answer. 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 Jawab. Wrap. Wrap. Not wrap. This is wrap. Lapetna. Wrinkles. wrinkles. You will not start it from R, you will start it from W. Next is silent words. C. Scent. Where C is silent, not scent. This is scent. Science. Scent mean ittar, khushbu. Science mean subject science. Scene, not scheme. This is scene. Scene, manzar. Thank you.